Hey, name's Matt. Welcome to the channel.
You can't take my car because I'm going to the gym. Now you're recording?
Now I'm recording. There we go. Jesus Christ.
I would better see that on one of your videos. First I was like, what's Malt channel? And then like, Matt Altamira channel. It took me a while.
Yeah, that's what Malt is. Love you, Megan.
Drive safe. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yep. Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad.
Careful.
Always am.
He said, no, you're not.
I usually am. Oh, I know it's more dangerous, but I love riding at night. Sorry, Mom. Like, I feel like some knockoff Initial D character. Whee! I know Initial D is about cars. Shut up. I recognize that exhaust. That's one of those cheap MGO exhausts, I think. I like the lights. I like the lights. It looks nice. Really? Yeah. Oh. I think we made a mistake being in this lane. Yeah, I mean this is only a 390. So yeah, or 401, whatever. I mean lightweight's the way to go. I don't think the guy heard that I was complimenting his lights. I think he thought I was talking about his bike. Now there is a road I would take if it was daytime. Except it's a new road I've never been on, so I really don't feel comfortable taking it. Oh my gosh. What is with all of these lights that I am just barely getting? Frame sliders are coming, as well as the exhaust slider. And I think the radiator guard is coming in as well. I think Killian would be pretty at night. Or at least with how eerie it would be, I think it would be pretty. I know it's inherently more dangerous just because it's harder to spot wildlife in the tree lines coming out. But I love riding around at night so much. There's a vacant beauty to it, just nothing. Just this cone of light coming out ahead. I love it so much. And this is the moment when I suddenly hear Siren Head. God, words cannot express the sheer amount of poop that would be in my pants if I suddenly heard a siren right now. That's about the only thing that kinda is unnerving about riding at dark, is all of those like intrusive thoughts about, hey, remember that one time that you played frickin' Slender Man? Yeah, that. What was that in the road? That's dangerous. Whatever that was in the road. We're gonna go take care of that, because I mean, I'm paying attention, but all it takes is like one poor person not being aware of what's going on in the road and completely destroying themselves. So let's go take a look and see what's up. What the hell is this? Oop. Oh. I don't know what that thing is. I guess it's light enough it wouldn't really damage anybody's car, but I mean, it just drives me nuts. You know, there's no way whoever's car that came from didn't know that it came from them. It's like, just do the right thing and take care of it, man. Ain't that hard.